Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Legends Arceus on your laptop. Emulation makes it possible to enjoy this fantastic adventure on a different platform. You will need a capable computer and the right software to get started. We will cover the necessary steps to set up your system and dive into the Hisui region, experiencing the game in a new way. Get ready to catch some Pokémon. Selecting the correct emulator is a crucial first step for playing Pokémon Legends Arceus. Two popular choices are Vyujinx and Yuzu, both offering strong performance. It is important to research which emulator best suits your laptop's specifications and provides the most stable experience. Look for one with regular updates and a helpful online community for troubleshooting. To ensure a smooth experience, your laptop should meet certain specifications. A modern processor with at least 4 cores is highly recommended. You will also need a minimum of 8 GB of RAM for stable gameplay. For the best visual performance, a dedicated graphics card with at least 4 GB of RAM is ideal. Proper setup involves installing the emulator and configuring its settings. To get the best performance, you can adjust several settings within your chosen emulator. Experiment with resolution and scaling options to find a balance between visuals and frame rate. Closing unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system resources. Always ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest version for optimal compatibility and speed. These steps will enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.